So let's talk about 5 takeaway tips when it comes to selecting props for your photo shoot. Number 1, don't back away from collaboration with your photographer. A photographer is creative and they're artistic and they could probably speak well to your brand, but then that leads us to point number 2. Identifying what your brand embodies from a visual perspective. So this means bringing out magazine clippings or creating a Pinterest board to kind of show the direction that you're going. Third tip, less is more. So often you're going to want to throw everything under the sun right to get to your photo shoot. Well, it's okay to bring everything, but then also be open to insights from your photographer, friends or family, and remember, you want to measure that against your dream customer. Tip number 4 is if you have ways to incorporate like pulled quotes or inspirational sayings into creating lifestyle stock photography, don't back away from that because quotes do pretty well on social media. And the last and final tip, create a list a couple days before, at minimum the night before, to get all of your props ready for the photo shoot so that you show up not stressed, fully confident, and ready to shine.